He's a good man, but he's exhausted. I guess he's tired of fighting for love. He spends so much time convincing himself that if he holds on tighter, or if he actually works hard a little better, that they would finally consider him for the good man he is. But listen, that's not what a relationship should look like. Love should be a partnership, not a battlefield. The worst of it is that it shouldn't even be a one-man battlefield. It's okay to fight for someone who loves you, but it's practically not okay to fight for someone to love you. But listen, if someone loves you, you wouldn't have to prove why you deserve it. You wouldn't have to even beg for their attention. This love thing will come naturally. Listen, you've spent so much time trying to make people love you the way you love them. And in the end, it leaves you drenched and questioning your own work. The truth is, if you have to fight for their love, that's not real love. Love is mutual and is a shared responsibility. It's not something you have to chase. So I guess that guy is done making the decision of clinging to someone who doesn't see him for his worth. Listen, I guess he's done fighting for someone who is not even fighting for him. He has finally chosen to love himself. Do you want to find true love? Or perhaps meet with someone who matches your preferences and then suits your personality? Or maybe you have questions to ask about love or emotional matters and you want us to physically respond to you? So how about learning new tips, tricks and hacks to boost your relationship and strengthen your compatibility? Trust me, this is exclusively at the Date Night with Elegant. So, what are you waiting for? Let us indulge together in this sophisticated atmosphere tailored specifically for couples and singles. Just come around, let's learn from other people's love stories and experiences. So imagine a night where you're enjoying exquisite cuisines while listening to good sounds that brings us together in a perfect complement to our evening. On Sunday, 15th of December 2024, I am all set to release and launch my musical album. Trust me when I say this album is a packed load of timeless classics and contemporary hit tracks. Date Night with Elegant, where love meets melodies. Please book your tickets right now and let us make this evening unforgettable. 5 p.m. prompt, red carpet formalities. Main event starts by 6 p.m. I don't want you to miss out. Beat me there. In short, you beat me there.